This dance is called Drinkaby. It's a 48 count, full wall, improver level line dance with one bridge. Starting on the right foot with a rocking chair. So you rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, shuffle forward on the right, toes right. That set of steps once more then. Rocking chair up on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, right, shuffle. Add on another rocking chair, left foot leading. So you rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself quarter turn to the right, cross shuffle, left over right, cross side cross. Now set of steps once more then, rocking chair on the left. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross shuffle. So add that to the top. Rocking chair on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, right shuffle, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Add on a vine to the right. Step right to the side, cross left behind, right to the side, touch that left beside the right. Into a couple of side touches, step in the left to the side, touch right side left, right to the side, touch left beside right. That set of steps once more then, vining to the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Let's add that to the top. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, right shuffle, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. You're going to make a quarter turn left as you go into a shuffle forward. So it's a quarter turn left, close, stepping that left forward. Adding on 2 half shuffle turns over your left shoulder. Quarter, close, quarter, quarter, close, quarter. Then stop the right beside the left, stop the left in place. That set of steps once more then. Quarter turn in shuffle up on the left. 7, 8, turn shuffle, half shuffle, stomp, stomp. Now you have got the equivalent of 1 1/4 turns in that there section. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can simply do the first quarter turn and shuffle the same as everybody else, turn, shuffle, but then instead of the 2 half shuffle steps, just shuffle forward. Right shuffle, left shuffle, then add on your stomp, stomp. Non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that 1 1/4 turns out of that section. So let's add that to the top. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, right shuffle, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, turn shuffle, half shuffle, stomp, stomp. Now going into a section full of toe, heel, touches and switches. So you're going to start by pointing your right out to the side. Touch the right heel forward, step the right beside the left. Repeat with the left foot. So the left goes out to the side, touch that left heel forward, step the left beside the right. Touch the right heel forward twice, right beside left, left heel forward, left beside right, right heel forward, right beside the left. That set of steps once more then. Toe, heel, close, toe, heel, close. Off on the right. 7, 8. Toe, heel and toe, heel and heel, heel and heel and heel and. Let's add that to the top. Rocking chair up on the right. 7, 8. Rocking chair, step, pivot, right shuffle. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Side behind, side touch, side touch, side touch. Turn shuffle, half shuffle, stomp, stomp. Toe, heel and toe, heel and heel, heel and heel and heel and. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. Shuffle yourself half a turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Make a further quarter of a turn to the left as you take a large step on the right to the side. Hold, then add on a left coaster step, coaster step. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock on the left. 7, 8. Forward rock, half shuffle, turn, hold, coaster step. So you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 of a turn in that section, with that half shuffle and then that further quarter of a turn. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, same as everybody else. Instead of doing that half shuffle turn, just shuffle back on that left. And then instead of that quarter turn left, you make a quarter turn right and take a big step to the side on that right. Hold, and then add on your coaster step. Joins up with everybody else. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that 3/4 of a turn out of that section. Otherwise that is the end of the dance, so let's put it all together. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8. Rocking chair, step, pivot, right shuffle. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Side behind, side touch, side touch, side touch. Turn shuffle, half shuffle, stomp, stomp. Toe, heel and toe, heel and heel, heel and heel and heel and forward rock. Half shuffle, turn, hold, coaster step. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Rocking chair on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8. Rocking chair, step, pivot, right shuffle. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Side behind, side touch, side touch, side touch. Turn shuffle, half shuffle, stomp, stomp. Toe, heel and toe, heel and heel, heel and heel and heel and forward rock. Half shuffle, turn, hold, coaster step. Rocking chair, step, pivot, right shuffle. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Side behind, side touch, side touch, side touch. Turn shuffle, half shuffle, stomp, stomp. Toe, heel and toe, heel and heel, heel and heel and heel and forward rock. Half shuffle, turn, hold, coaster step. Rocking chair, step, pivot, right shuffle. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Side behind, side touch, side, touch. Turn, shuffle, half shuffle, stop, stop. Toe, heel and toe, heel and heel, heel and heel and heel and forward drop. Half shuffle, turn, coast the step. So that's your dance. Now there is a bridge of sorts in this dance. Now normally a bridge is some extra steps that are added in somewhere in the dance. So you dance so far, add in the extra steps and continue dancing from where you left off. With this particular dance, it's almost like the bridge has been taken away. So it's a missing bridge. So you're actually going to dance the first 16 counts of the dance, miss the next 16, and then dance the last 16. So it's taking 16 steps away. So this bridge comes on wall 6. So wall 6 will in fact be your 9 o'clock wall. So let's just take you through wall 6, 16 counts, and then you pick up again from count 33, which is effectively your point, your toe, heel and toe, heel and heel, heel and heel and heel section. So let's take you through wall 6. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, rock, shuffle. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. Bridge, toe, heel and toe, heel and heel, heel and heel and heel and forward rock, half shuffle, turn, coaster step. So hopefully you can see how that bridge kind of fits in wall 6. So you just miss out the middle set of steps. The music does help a little bit when you get to that particular section, so it kind of makes it clear that you should be going into the point section. So that is it. That is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your bridge information. Let's give it a go to the music. 5, 6, 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, right, shuffle, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side behind, side touch, side touch, side touch, turn, shuffle, half shuffle, stop, stop, toe, heel, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, coaster step, rocking chair, step, pivot, rock, shuffle, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side behind, side touch, turn shuffle, half shuffle, stop, toe, heel, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, coaster step, rocking chair, step, pivot, right shuffle, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side behind, side touch, turn shuffle, half shuffle, stop, toe, heel, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, coaster step, rocking chair, step, pivot, right shuffle, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side behind, side touch, turn shuffle, half shuffle, stop, toe, heel, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, coaster step, rocking chair, vine, shuffles, toe heel, forward rock, rocking chair, all 6, your bridge wall, rocking chair, bridge, toe, heel, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, Coaster step, start again, rocking chair. Rocking chair. Bind. Shuffles. Toe heel. Hope you managed that one.